Hi friends, I did have exciting news for you today about all these websites that are giving away free money, medical expenses, travel expenses, and all these websites are really going to help you to achieve your financial goals. So let's say that you really want to start a new business for you this year, but you really don't have capital. This website are going to give you money with no return at all, and the good thing about this is that I tried too many websites, and most of these websites that I tried before, they were not working. So this website that I'm going to show you right now, I'm pretty sure that they're really going to give you free money because I have experience, and as you can see, a lot of my videos I talk about this website that are working and which are not working. All these websites are giving free money. So let's dive in and see how this website works. So I really don't recommend begging for money, but I know in life you can face really hard time, just like me. Just 11 months ago, I was facing really bad time. I was facing really hard time. For me, it was really hard to pay for my rent. It was really hard for me to bring food on the table. So the only thing that I did at that time was to go ahead and ask different people on social media. It could be Facebook, it could be Instagram. As you can see, my messages are here. I asked too many great people, too many famous people if they could help me at least to buy equipment to start a YouTube channel. So it was really hard time, and I really needed help at that time, and absolutely no one replied to my text. So I came across this trusted website that they are offering and they're giving free money to different people facing financial problems. And I think among all these websites that I tried out, I think this website that I'm coming to show you right now, these are mostly trusted websites, and they can really give you free money if you do what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's dive in. So our very first website is called Goget Funding, and as I told you before that I tried too many websites before, and all these websites were not available in African countries or Asian countries, but Goget Funding is nearly available all over the world. So if you're currently facing financial problems, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform. And right now I'm going to show you how people are receiving completely free money from this website. This one received $5,000 from rich people on this platform just to repair his car. Just imagine you receive $5,000 for free just to repair your own car, and this one $11. And this lady right here from DRC Congo, Africa, she received $500 just from rich people on this platform. So all you need to do is you have to go ahead and join on this platform. Then you need to share your story on this platform. I'm pretty sure that there are too many rich people who will be willing to help you and give you free money to solve any problems that you're facing right now. So you have to go ahead and see how much you're going to make on this platform. You can see all these people, they're receiving free money on this platform. Alright, so the next website that I want to talk about is called Local Prices, and this website is becoming more and more incredible. This website is going to pay you just by leaving review on this platform. So if you ever leave review on any website and you never get paid, this website is really different to other websites, and you really get paid just by leaving review on the platform. So you may want to go ahead and join on this platform and see how much people are making, and this is among the trusted website that I can recommend, and you really get paid just by leaving a simple review about different things that you know. Alright, so this next website is really going to give you decent amount of money if you have projects or if you have good idea to start a new business. I think this website is really going to turn your dream into reality, and this website is called Indigogo. There are a lot of people who are asking for money on this platform. As you can see right here, this girl, she wanted financial support for her first semester in a university, and she received $170 right away just after asking money from rich people. And there are a lot of people who are receiving up to $2,000, $3,000 just from this website. So all you want to do right now, you have to go ahead and join on this platform. Then you have to explain why you need that money for. Good and kind people are really going to help you by giving you free money, completely free money with no return at all. Alright, so our next website is called Justiv, and I really cannot share to you website that I never used before. This is my account, and this is my profile picture. This is my name, Hans David, as you can see right here. I tried this website months ago, and if you're sick, if you're facing financial problems with your family, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform, because I've seen people who are making up to $30,000 just on this platform. If they ask for money, they get money right away from this platform. There are a lot of rich people and kind of people on the platform who are willing to give away free money on the platform. So if you are facing any financial problems, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform. The bad thing about this website is that it's really not available in African countries or Asian countries. So if you're from United States of America, or if you're from Europe, Merry Christmas, this website is just for you. Next on the list we have Fundy, and this website is giving money for everyone. As you can see here, if you have lost your loved one, you can go ahead and ask money for memorial services on this platform, and you can get this kind of money. There are a lot of people who are making up to $2,000, who are receiving up to $5,000 on this platform. So if you're sick, if you're facing any financial problems, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform, and not just bad situations. So let's say that you want to go to vacation, you may want to go ahead and ask for donation on this platform. There are great people, there are kind people on this platform who may be willing to help you to go to your vacation. If you want to go to Bali, if you want to go to Italy, you have to go to this platform and explain why you need that money for, and good people will be happy to help you on the platform. Alright, so next we have begging money. If you're searching for financial and emergency assistance, you may want to go ahead and tell your story on this platform. Kind people and good people will be happy to help you on this platform. As you can see, there are a lot of people who are making decent and reasonable amount on this platform. So you have to come down here and you have to click this place which is written as ask for money. After doing that, you can see all these people are going to donate money for you from this platform. Alright, so this next website that I really want to talk about right now is called GoFundMe, and I really recommend, if you have touching story and you think this story will make people have to donate money for you, you may want to go ahead and create your account on GoFundMe. As you can see right here, there are a lot of people who are receiving up to $50,000. There are a lot of people who are receiving up to $10,000 on this platform. All you need is, you need to have very touching story on this platform, and good people will be happy to help you from this platform. So you may want to go ahead and create your account on this platform and see how people are going to donate money for you. This is a most trusted website, and this is a well-known website, so you have to go ahead and join on this platform. So this last website is called Fundy, and let's say that you are a content creator or you're a writer and you want to write a book, but you really don't have enough money for you to publish your book. This platform is helping all content creators, all innovators, all the writers to bring their ideas into life. And you may want to go ahead and explain how much do you really want for your project to be complete on this platform. And as you can see here, there are a lot of people who are making up to $5,000. There are a lot of people who are receiving up to $10,000 on this platform for them to complete their project. So I did hope that you're just going to try all these websites that I've mentioned in this video, because a lot of people are just watching these videos but they never try all this website. And I've done different videos about how to get free money from this website. The best method that you can use for you to get free money from this website, there are this video right here. You can click this video and start watching this video and see the best methods that you can use to get free money from rich people, because it's really not easy to convince rich people to donate money for you if you don't know this method that I explained in this video. So thanks so much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time, and please like my video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.